This is the Tableau report we are going to use for migrating data to Power BI format using Intellify Accelerator's tool. On the source platform selection screen, identify your source as Tableau and your destination platform as Power BI, then click the Next button to proceed. Next, it is time to upload your file. Simply drag and drop your Tableau workbook directly into the upload area. Once the file successfully appears in the uploaded files list, click Next to configure your destination settings. Here, you can choose whether to upload a specific Power BI template, but for this demonstration, we will focus on applying a custom theme. Select Yes under Apply Theme to open the configuration panel. This interface is quite powerful, as it allows you to define your brand's specific color palette, foreground and background colors, and even set your preferred text classes like titles and headers. Taking the time to customize these elements ensures that your resulting dashboard perfectly matches your organization's design standards. After you have finished adjusting your colors and styles, click Apply Theme to save these configurations and return to the main screen. With everything configured, click the Next button to move to the final conversion stage. You will see your files ready for processing. Click Process All to initiate the migration in the background. You can monitor the progress as the tool validates and converts your dashboard components. Once you see the success notification, your new Power BI dashboard is ready. Now we navigate to our local downloads directory using Windows File Explorer, right-click the archive, and execute our extraction commands to unpack our workspace. Once extracted, we open the clean folder structure. We move our cursor down to the master Power BI project file and double-click it. Power BI Desktop hooks straight into the directory, instantly launching our front-end report development canvas. Now that our environment is fully initialized, we can see that our ingestion layer has successfully mapped our comprehensive transactional history from our corporate database, AdventureWorks DW 2019. This master dataset tracks our entire historical business ledger. We construct our data grids by checking our Fields panel to pull transactional metrics, order counts, and date rows directly onto our view. To conclude our presentation, we align both of our platform applications side by side. This dual window posture perfectly demonstrates absolute data synchronization across our entire architecture. As you can clearly see on our screen, our front-end Power BI report running on the left side of our display perfectly mirrors the telemetry of our audited Tableau dashboard interface running on the right. Both applications are completely locked in step, maintaining identical dataset aggregates, validating our conversion loop from end to end. Thank you.